Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Gemini CLI on Windows operating system. So first you're opening this place command prompt. So in your system, Node.js must be installed there. So if I write node -v, so you can get their 24 version npm -v. So this here 11 version that install. Python should be there. So Python should be there. Okay. So this 3.14.3. Now thereafter with the help of this npm that I'm going to install their Gemini CLI. So npm install -g for global Google Gemini CLI. Let's copy this and they're going to paste. So with the help of this command we can easily install their Gemini. So press enter. So this here download process is going on. So for this one net should be connected because this is doing some download. Okay, and wait for a few seconds times to complete this download as well as install. So here you can see this 17 package that's added in 42 seconds. Let's use the cls command. Now if I write this place Gemini --version, so there you can get there. This is the version that install. Let's use the cls. Now there I'm going to write the Gemini. So when you write there Gemini, then you can get this Gemini CLI. So this you can get there. So this is about the directory. You can, if you want, then you can change the directory. So that's fine. Root directory, trust parent, don't trust. So first option that's going to select there. And now press enter again. So this here you can, this is asking about to do the sign in with Google or Gemini API Vertex AI. So first option that's selecting there, continue, allow. So when you click on this allow, and this is waiting for the authentication. Let's do the authentication. You can see authentication successful, and this you can get the page. Thereafter, let's go on this command prompt. Here, authentication succeeded. Thereafter, simply press enter, or here press R to restart. So R. Now let's press R to restart, or okay, this is restart there. Now thereafter you can write any question there. Let's write the simple hi message for text testing, and this returning there. What exactly I'm asking? What exactly Gemini? So this here you can see running Gemini thinking, and this will return the output as soon as possible. So what exactly is Gemini? I am a Gemini CLI interactive AI software engineer. Terminal I code bases, implement, fix bugs, developing this can do. Okay, so this is how you can do the installation of Gemini CLI on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.